What's up everybody, welcome here on this channel. We're gonna do a quick unboxing video. We got 3 Hot Wheels premium models from the Boulevard Series. This right here would be the whole set, 5 cars. I didn't buy the Dodge just because that's not my cup of tea. And the one I got here, this is the 4th car. This is the Porsche 911 Turbo in a pretty nice yellow metallic livery. I really like the wheels, black 5 spokes with these chrome lips. It's just looking very good. But I only found one of these, so this guy will stay carded. So let's put this one to the side and let's start with this one here. Really cool. This is the Mercedes-Benz 190e 2.5-16 in a really nice, I would call it, it's like a British racing green. I already cut the packaging open, so and there we are. Let's take a look at this guy. Yeah, I already mentioned it, a really nice green in my opinion. And I also like the color of these 5 spokes. It's like a cream color. And they do match this Toyo tires lettering here on the windshield. Really nice. We get some details on the back. Seeing 190e, we got the Mercedes star. And we get, yeah, kind of a tinted taillights, no license plate and some exhaust details. This is the front, also pretty nice. Headlights, the grille, and the Mercedes star on the hood. So we get these nice 5 spokes with the chrome lip and an additional stripe on the sides in silver. A really nice model. So yeah, let's put this guy into the parking lot as we go on with this one here. This is the Audi S4 Quattro. And now you might think you've seen something very similar this year. And that is true because we've already seen this guy here. This is the RS2 Avant in Forza Deco. But it also comes with this, let's call it, yeah, traditional Audi racing livery in these 3 colors, black, gray and red. Looking very cool in my opinion. So let's put this one to the side. This one comes with 10-spoke wheels with slicks. And I have to admit, I'm not really sure if this car is from a real racing series, although it's got this racing livery. It's just because, oops, if you take a close look into the interior, we got a, yeah, let's call it stock interior. We got no racing seats as far as I can see. We got no roll cage, and we got this little sunroof. So yeah, but I don't care. This one is looking very cool, and it's definitely one of the premium highlights of this year. So also into the parking lot, and we get to the last one, and this one is really cool. It's the Nissan Silvia S50 Nismo R-Tune Proto. Whatever that is, I have to say I'm not really sure. I guess this is oh, I forgot to put the packages back. I guess this is something like a drift car. I'm not really sure. But the deco on this guy is just insane, as you can see here on the side. Got this super copper mix lettering, and yeah, this creature, whatever that is. We get some kind of sponsor logos. Nice details on the front. We get a lot of these creatures on the hood. Deco on the roof, on the rear window, and also here on the trunk. And on this side it's kind of mirrored. We get black 5-spokes. And yeah, this thing is just extremely cool. Unfortunately, the windshield is a little bit cloudy. I don't know why that happened, but yeah, this is really, really, really cool. I really like this. So yeah, that are the 3 models, and as always, let's bring them together. And as always, I'm picking a favorite. And as you might know, I'm a German guy, and so yeah, I'm a huge fan of the German brands like Mercedes, Audi, Porsche, and BMW, for example. But I have to say, from this set, definitely it's this one here. I really like these racing liveries. Although I don't know from which series or what, I don't know, this is, but it looks just really, really nice. So yeah, that's it for today. If you did like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, happy hunting, and see you next time. Bye.